You like to inspire us with so many ideas. You learn new things every day. And then
Things I've learned from you is that I've learned of how to have a balance between like gestures, tone, and everything. I learned that way better, and I learned about all how each person has different styles of doing things. So you shouldn't try to like force yourself to do other people's kind of style. And I really like how you always give us lots of different critiques, no matter whether we're getting better or if we're bad. You always give us some sort of critique to help us improve.
The three best parts are the impromptu speaking, the techniques to write inspirational speech, and also the 5W1H technique to write the impromptu speaking.
The best part is making all the campaign video, the poster, all the things that I learned here, and how we speak to be more confident.
You have to build my confidence in speaking, and I become braver to talk in public.
I learned how to present or speak better. So I won't get nervous and don't know how to speak. And I also learned how to influence people using coaster and knowing rules.